Welcome to watch the introduction video of the use and efficacy of FC04 silicone facial cleansing brush. There are totally 7 gears for choose. Red, vibration and blue, pulsation modes for choose. Press and hold for 1 second to switch on, default to vibration mode and the 4th gear. If you press the upshift button first, you can increase the power by 1 gear per press. Adjustable to the 5, 6 or 7 gears while the light flashes. The downshift button is for lowering the gear, so if you are at the 7 gear, each press corresponds to a downward adjustment of 1 gear, with the smallest gear being 1, you need to press 6 times. Demonstration effect on the face. Select your preferred setting and mode, then apply the cleanser to your skin. Clean in circular motions for a recommended 2 minutes. Back massage function to promote the absorption of masks or lotions. Just cleanse your face with cleanser normally after use. Charging demonstration with the back connector docked to the charging cable and then charged. About 120 uses on a full charge. Power test. Place the brush in water after switching on, can be seen very evenly through the water ripples. Cleansing demonstration. Place the brush lightly on the surface of the water, then wipe with a wet tissue. Then wipe dry with a cloth. Thank you for watching the introduction video of the use and efficacy of FC04 silicone facial cleansing brush.